Okay people, well, this is the last part of this video, and just to show you that here's the finished product. So I successfully got the fan running. And as you can see, no problems, and it switches through all 3 speeds, but we always keep it on high. So just remember that this project is not difficult, it's just tedious. And if you don't have people who are willing to help you understand how to complete it, then it's going to make it that much more difficult. But the complexity of this task is probably maybe 2 out of 10. The biggest thing was trying to research and find out how to remove the wires from the switch, and believe it or not, insert them into the new switch. Nobody covers that. It's like a hidden secret. They just tell you, just push the wires in, and that's not so. If you watch my part 2 video, you'll see and understand how the old switch works, because I had it disassembled while it was on the fan. But anyways, yeah, I guess I'm gonna kick back right now